So for the question number one, how can technology be used most effectively in the various fields of specialization to support and assess student learning? So, um, this technology used to support both teaching and learning to the students and the teachers. It is very effectively in some various cases, which is to find a problem and to gather some information, to gather all information to find the to find um to find this to find answer of that um, questions. Technology can help the teachers to track the learning access of the students in their own. This technology might be this technology shows that very effectively helpful to all students. Technology comes from a different various ways in assessing the students and learning, which is the digital smartphones, computer, laptop, etc. For the question number two, teachers also work as a curriculist. As a curriculist, how do you plan to make your ICT integration more responsive and relevant? So, this ICT is very helpful for the students and for the teachers also, because by using this ICT, it can help them to widen their knowledge and to gain more information. To make it more responsive and relevant, um, ICT uh, is is manageable when it comes in school. ICT is part of the daily life of students to obtain an information in some various subject. For the question number three, what are the features of the inquiry-based learning? So, the teacher must ask the student if what he or she wants to know. It is a way to trigger their curiosity. Um, uh, this uh, this inquiry-based learning is to show off what could the teacher, what could the students do to examine their possible answer. Inquiry-based learning, um, it has a lot of questions that provided by a teachers that needed to answer by the teachers. Inquiry-based learning is the foundation of what learning is all about, which is um, the the burning questions and the thirst of answers. Problem-based learning approach is is surrounded by group of people that they need to solve a problem, and it has so many questions, arguments, and judgment of how they will conclude the the real conclude the the problem of the subject. The problem-based learning approach and the project ba- project based the project-based learning approach is like in the same shoe, which the problem-based learning are are intended to make the to solve the problem, and the learning and the project of the project-based learning approach are need to develop or gather some information and question their questions by themselves. And for the question number 5, is technology good or bad? For me, as a educator, as a future education, the technology is have an advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of this is we can easily access some information and gathered information that we are seeking, and the and it help and it help us to 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 reach out to teachers when it comes to online class. And the bad when it the disadvantage of this is that um, when there is a typhoon, especially the students who are live in the province, they have a low internet. Um, it is hard for them. It is hard for them to turn in or pass their to pass their activity or exams.